YouTube, Hurricane Lorena.
We always do that.
Just pouring like a few minutes ago. You probably still see it pouring right there. Whoa, that's flashing like, woo, that's a nice one. Wow.
Whoa!
You see, Hurricane Lorena, tropical storm thing, whatever you call it. It already hit Yuma Arizona, which I live by the hospital again. Same thing with Hurricane Roaster. And it is pouring. It's 70 mile per hour wind, but does not look like 70 mile per hour wind to me. But it's pouring, you can see the cars flashing with the rain. Woo, that's a nice lightning. Amazing. And I got my 2 girls actually 3 girls right there watching the lightning storm. They said that we might have tornado, we might have death storm, we might have hail. That's what they say. So I don't know. It is pouring. I can't even see out, but look at you guys can. It's literally pouring. Literally. You can't even see the hospital from here. Wow. Look at all that. Oh, I know there's a light in the background. It is pouring. Maybe I can go through the front door to show you. Let's see the front door. You can hear the rain. Wow.
You got wet? Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Nice and cold. It's blowing through my face right now. Wow. It's pouring.
It's gonna wet me.
So this is 2019, September what? 22nd. We finally got hit by a Hurricane Lorena.
It's 23rd.
23rd. 22nd. 23rd. Either of those 2 days. But it's Monday. You can see it pouring like crazy. We're supposed to have hail soon, so I don't know. I'm going to move away from the door because it's too dangerous.
Yeah.
Move on, Bobby.
Mom,
Go back
did you
to...
get wet?
No, we're going to get hit by the lightning. I'm going to go in the back to my 2 little kittens. That's Luna Bell. That's Crush Bandicoot. And here's my husband. Creepy old dude. So stay inside, girls. Woo! It's raining right here. Look at that, it's pouring. Woo! I can stand this. Yeah, washing my van for the first time. You know, there's the rain coming down right there. Look at that. It's pouring. Woo! Look at that. This is terrible. Right now, it is pouring. Poor husband. Woo! Holy mackerel, the basketball! Your coco! It stopped raining, but it's still going. You can see it. Oh, poor birdie. You're getting lucky, cute. I'm going inside. Whoa, it is blowing back there. So let's go back to the window where it's more safer.
I saw the dust.
Oh, you can. What the heck is on the grass? Oh no, but you can see it. It's pouring like crazy. Leave. Okay, there's lightning going off. There's my husband reflection. can see your reflection.
Daddy's wet! Wet. Wet.
Yeah, he is wet. It's fine. Woo!
It sounds like...
So I'm gonna close up now. So this is our storm. Thank you for watching. Bye.